Okay guys, going to run through this real quick. So I used a wire wheel and cleaned up the head. It has been rebuilt, this engine. Let me find one of the pistons. It's really legible. Oh, number 6. I don't know if we can see it right here, but it's .040. That means the engine was rebuilt at one time 40 thousandths of an inch over. I was able to get down inside. That's an intake valve there, and that shiny ledge way down in there is where the valve, sorry I'm shaking, it's cold, that's where the valve seats, and I don't see any pitting on any of the other valves. So yeah, I only got about 2 minutes left on my SD card, so I'm going to go around to the other side, show you the underside of the head, and looks great after decarbonizing it. There hasn't been any discoloration between the cylinders, where fire from the cylinders was trading back and forth, and here it all looks good. So it's a low compression engine. May have a few miles on it, but the oil is real nice in it. I'll pull the dipstick. That's not bad for an engine that's been sitting in a shed for 7 years, and I'm happy with it. Like I said, for $50, it's a good save. It's going to make the Weasel run well. And the thing is, I don't need 500 horsepower. I only need 80 horsepower because of the gears in the Weasel. So yeah, great save. Thanks for watching.